Hi there, today you're going to be learning a different inking technique in Illustrator. We're not going to use the pen tool for this assignment and a couple following. You're going to start a print document, and letter size for this assignment, I want you to choose a landscape orientation for your canvas. Okay, this is the portrait. I want you to choose landscape and click OK. Now you're going to go to your assignment on eCommunity and find Intro to Inking and click on the basic ink image. This is the image you're going to be creating. So let's see if it'll just let me copy and paste. Yeah, so you can just copy that right from there and paste it in. Then you're going to go in and adjust it so it fits to your canvas. Something else you're going to do is create a new layer that you're actually going to be inking on. And your layer 1, you're going to set that as a template, just like you did the previous assignment. So you are going to be using the paintbrush. When you double click on the paintbrush, you will get two different options. Okay, smoothness, you want your smoothness right up there, and your fidelity, that's going to affect your line quality. So if I go in and create a line that's quite intricate, so let's say, I'm just going to show you an example. That's with very low fidelity. Now if I go and increase that, and I do the same thing, it smooths it out quite a bit. Okay? So if you're trying to get more of a curved, it kind of distorts the line a bit, so you might want to try working on low fidelity. And if something doesn't quite feel right as you're inking, just take a look at your fidelity and change it. Okay? So with my paintbrush, I can go in and start just, it's kind of like just tracing. So I go in and start going around the dog. If that happens, you just have to go to a different point and bring the line back to the point. Now as you're going, and if you make a mistake, let's see, I do that, I can always go Control Z to get rid of it. Especially when you start doing the small lines. Keeps disappearing on you, try clicking to another area and then continue drawing your line, and then it should stay. Sometimes it likes to be stubborn. Okay? So as you go, you'll start to see the puppy coming to take shape. When you're done creating all of your lines, what you can do is take a look at the different brushes. So, for example, if I can drag and click and select all the lines that I've done, and come in here and add a different brush if I want to change the quality. If you don't like any of the brushes on here, I can click on this file and open up a new brush menu that has a lot of different ones. Some of the calligraphy ones are interesting, the ink ones, the chalk and charcoal ones are kind of cool. You can go in and add a different look to your lines there. Yeah, so play around with some of the different brushes to see line qualities for yourself. Probably a thinner one would be best. Just want to see if I have any examples here that I can show you. Don't know if I do. Oh yeah, this is Alyssa Greco's puppy. She did a pretty good job on hers. I think she used one of the calligraphy brushes. So I expect you to go in there, get all the lines with the fence too. When you're going in to do fence lines, feel free to use your line tool, okay, for that. If you're having trouble, if you want it straighter and you can't get it straight using the actual paintbrush, you can go in with the line tool for that part. Okay, so continue and call me over if you're having any troubles.